Hi guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to share 7 secrets to make the fragrance of your perfume last longer. So, if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe, press the bell icon and give this video a big fat thumbs up and let's just get into the video. The first secret is never ever store your perfume beside a window, in a warm place or inside the bathroom because light, heat and humidity breaks down the fragrance oils and hence it reduces the quality of your perfume and your perfume doesn't last for a longer period of time. Number two is again related to storage, but yeah, I promise the third secret will no longer be related to storage. So the second secret is that always try to store your perfume container inside the packaging it comes with. Okay, so don't discard the outer packaging, उसको रखो उसके अंदर ही रखो. Outer packaging को discard नहीं करना है, उसको perfume को उस outer packaging के अंदर ही store करना है so that the fragrance of your perfume lasts longer. Third secret is that petroleum jelly or Vaseline. Yes, raw petroleum jelly or Vaseline अपने जो pulse points होते हैं and then splits the perfume. So what happens is that lubricants in this petroleum jelly they locks the fragrance of the perfume and hence the fragrance of the perfume lasts longer or lingers on your body for a longer period of time. अगर आपके घर पे अभी Vaseline available नहीं है, so you can do the same thing with unscented moisturizer. Apply unscented moisturizer on the pulse point and then spray the fragrance or spray the perfume, and yes, it will also do the same thing. Your perfume will last longer because the moisture in the moisturizer will lock the fragrance of your perfume. Next secret is try to spray or spritz your perfume as soon as you are out of the shower, because when you're out of the shower your body is damp and the dampness of your body basically locks the fragrance of the perfume and hence your perfume lasts longer. Next secret is pulse points. Yes, pulse points are your wrist area, on your neck, on your ankle. It's inside of your elbows, it's inside of your knee, and also on the midrib. So you will spray or splits your perfume on this pulse point. So pulse points basically diffuses the perfume or the fragrance of perfume across your body, throughout your body, and hence the perfume will linger on your body for a longer period of time. Next secret is that do not ever rub your wrist after applying perfume, because I have seen so many people doing this thing wrong. When you rub your wrist after applying perfume, you basically, due to friction, all this fragrance oils, this breaks down and it reduces and fades away, and hence your perfume doesn't last for a longer period of time. The last secret is that there are different types of fragrances available in the market. There are body sprays and deodorants, and the concentration of fragrance oils in this body sprays and deodorants are least. So this kind of fragrances doesn't last long on your body. And there are also colognes and EDT, which is eau de toilette. So basically the concentration of fragrance oil in this category is also very less and doesn't last for a longer period of time. So what you can do is you can invest in EDP, which is eau de perfume. Concentration of fragrance oil is higher than all the other categories. Hence what happens is that your perfume lasts for a longer period of time. For today, that's all. And if you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up. If any of the secrets you already know, then let me know in the comments section. And yeah, I will meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.